Okay, welcome back guys to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show us three websites where we can get free mockup. Three websites where you can get free mockup for free, all for free. And you can use it for any project, be it logo, any of your project at all, your flyers, mockup, anything for free, even including text mockup too. Yes, for free without wasting our time. Let's go to the system. Okay, the first thing we are going to do is to connect your system to internet, which I've already done mine. You can see. And the next one is to open a browser. I'm using Opera Mini. You can use any browser of your choice. Then the first site is mockup3.com. www.mockup3.com. Click enter. Mockup. Sorry about that. Mockup3.com. Yes, we can see this site. You can see we have different type of mockup. These are the site. The website environment is. You have different mockup for phone, iPhone, Mac, laptop, for your branding, book, brochure, envelope, stationery. Then your outdoor mockup, frame, roll up, signage, and so on and so forth. You can see as many as there are. These are sample. You can see this for your product. You can see this fine mockup for your business card. You can see this for your billboard, and so on and so forth. Okay, number 2 is mockupdesign.com. Mockup mockup design.com. Okay, this is one of my best too. You can see we have different type of mockups here. Different types of mockup. This one, and so on and so forth. Wow, this billboard. You can check for different type. You can see samples of mockup, stationery, and the rest. Book packaging, you can see how beautiful they are. This one you can use it for Yoda. You can see, yeah, very very beautiful. So the last one is on Blast st.com. Blast.com. This one too is very very beautiful. You can see all these are free. You can see how beautiful they are. You can get all these for free. And I would like to give us one what's the name? I'd like to give us one free site again, and it's popular, but we have that place is for free and premium. You can check free pics. Yes, freepix.com to have mockups, but you can get paid mockup or what's the name, or premium mockup. You can see how it is. So you select anyone you want. I just select banner mockup and see. You can see all these ones here are free. all this one I'm pointing at you, they are free, but this one is not free, this one is paid. How do you know the difference? You click on it, you can see it's only premium people that have subscribed or that have premium account that can download this. You can see them, they are premium, but you can see all these ones they are free. You can see this roller banner, free mockups. You can see how they are. So if you know you find this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to turn on the notification bell below. Thank you so much. See you next time.